Thank you for joining me in the third installment of the forgiveness request process for the Paycheck Protection Program. Today, we'll be walking through how to sign your SBA documents, specifically the 3508 or 3508EZ. As you can see within my inbox, we've been receiving emails along the way as we've been completing each step of the process. First, we were notified when we needed to upload our supporting documents. We have received a security code letting us know how to log into our eSigning session. And lastly, an email with the eSign session itself. So let's go ahead and sign the documents. In order to get started, you will be asked to authenticate once again. You will need to fill out your original PPP loan amount, your email address, and your business TIN. And we can go ahead and find our loan. This will bring us to the status page. As you can see, since the last video, we have moved along from that financial institution review status into the signing of documents. We did receive an email letting us know what the 4-digit code for accessing the eSign session would be, but just as you can see on screen, it will be the last 4 digits of your Social Security number that you disclosed during the forgiveness application process. So let's go ahead and eSign. This will bring us directly into a DocuSign session where you'll need to enter the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Here we'll be brought to the 3508. We must agree to electronic signature. And you'll see the 3508 or 3508EZ will be completely pre-populated for you. All the answers that have been provided by your financial institution, all the answers that you've inputted through the application, have all been filled out into each field of the 3508EZ in this case. We highly recommend you review all of the fields, ensuring that they are correct. Once you've reviewed everything, you may start the e-signing process. You'll be asked to initial on each line, certifying to each of the statements. In addition, you'll be required to certify to one of the 2 statements below. Lastly, you will sign and disclose your title. Additionally, there is demographic information at the bottom. This is not required information, but the SBA is requesting this information for any principals at your company. Feel free to fill this out for each of your principals. Once complete, mark the complete drop down at the bottom. And we are finished. That completes your business's steps for the e-signing process. You'll notice that we're still in the sign status. That is because your financial institution must countersign as well. Once they have countersigned and the information is pushed to the SBA has 90 days to respond to your financial institution. Please be patient as your financial institution will be checking with the SBA on a daily basis. Once they receive a response, your financial institution may request additional information or may communicate to you your calculated forgiveness amount as well as your calculated remaining balance based off of the SBA's processing. Again, you may always return to this page to see where you are in the process and to see your current documentation. Here we have the Go to eSign link, which will show you that 3508EZ that we just signed. Thank you for taking the time to walk through the SBA document signing process. If you have any questions, please reach out to your financial institution.